Boundaries aren't walls to keep people out. They are gates to keep you in peace. But usually we only think about boundaries when someone else is crossing them. We forget that the first person who needs to respect our boundaries is the one in the mirror. Welcome to week 15. Today, we are reflecting on where we end and where the rest of the world begins. It's time to stop apologizing for having limits. If you feel resentful or exhausted, it's usually a boundary issue. We often say yes when our reflection is screaming no. We allow others to take our time, our energy, and our joy because we're afraid of being difficult. When you neglect your boundaries, you are telling the person in the mirror that their comfort doesn't matter. A boundary is simply a way of saying, this is what I need to stay healthy and whole. It's an act of self-preservation. When you look in the mirror today, notice if you look like someone who is being protected or if you're being depleted. You are not responsible for how other people react to your boundaries. You are only responsible for communicating them. People who benefit from your lack of boundaries will always be upset when you finally set them. And that is exactly why you need them. When you stand firm in your limits, you teach the world how to treat you. But more importantly, you teach yourself that you are worth defending. A person with boundaries is a person with power. Do y'all hear me? Your assignment for week 15 is the boundary declaration. Think of one area where you've been letting your limits slide. Stand in front of the mirror, look yourself in the eyes, and practice saying no with clarity and without an excuse. Spend 3 minutes saying, I cannot take that on right now, or that does not work for me. Watch your reflection. Do not smile to soften it. Do not look away. Practice the face of someone who knows their value. We already know it's affirmation time. My peace is a priority. I have the right to set boundaries and the strength to keep them. We're going to carry that strength into this week. You don't owe everyone anything. I'll see you in week 16. Welcome to the reflection.